Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting a job in Land O'Lakes. It's a two-car garage. This is going to be a flat floor, meaning there's going to be no baseboards in it. So first thing we have to do is grind off this cure and seal. We're going to sand and fill the expansion joints so that we get a seamless surface. We're going to detail in around the hot water heater. Actually, this one gives us a little bit of room to work, so not too bad. So really the only issue on this floor is the lead-in edge. So we are going to square that off and round it over. As you can see, it's a little chunky. Not too bad. Not too bad at all, actually. So let's get started. Okay, here we are. We're all finished up with our two-car. Now this is a flat floor, meaning they didn't get the baseboard option. This floor looks great, nice and flat. This floor had full diamond grinding, repairs, industrial grade base epoxy, followed by a full broadcast of chips colored Camel. Here are some details around the fixture. You can see it looks like it's sitting on the floor. You really wouldn't know that there's not floor underneath the fixture. Looks good. So this has a top coat of polyaspartic. Polyaspartic is UV stable and very durable. And this shine remains throughout the life of the floor. So this floor had a little bit of a rough lead-in edge. So in just a second we're going to show how we did that. We squared it up and then we rounded over. The lead-in edge is the weakest part of the garage, so to speak, because this is where your tires meet the floor and support the entire weight of the vehicle as it goes into the garage. So that has to be just right. So a lot of attention goes into that. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.